ICSE Mathematics Class 10, Chapter 6, Exercise 6C, Question 7. A goods train reached a station at 6 p.m. followed by an express train reached at 8 a.m. and travels 20 km per hour faster than goods train. The express train arrives at a station 1040 km away 36 minutes before the goods train, assuming that the speed of the both trains remain constant between the two stations. Calculate their speed. यहाँ थीम यह है कि दो ट्रेनें, एक एक्सप्रेस ट्रेन और एक जो है वो गुड्स ट्रेन है। गुड्स ट्रेन 6 बजे छूटती है जबकि एक्सप्रेस ट्रेन 8 बजे छूटती है। गुड्स ट्रेन से एक्सप्रेस ट्रेन की स्पीड 20 किलोमीटर पर आवर ज़्यादा है, लेकिन यह 36 मिनट पहले ही पहुंच जाती है एक्सप्रेस ट्रेन। इसका मतलब कि 2 घंटा पूर्व का और 36 मिनट का, ये 2 घंटे 36 मिनट यानी 2 hours 36 मिनट, दैट इज 156 मिनट इज इक्वल टू 13/5 आवर्स। 13/5 आवर्स। कम समय लगता है एक्सप्रेस ट्रेन को। इस तरह हम लेट द स्पीड ऑफ द गुड्स ट्रेन बी x किलोमीटर पर आवर, so the speed of the express train will be x plus 20 km per hour because it is 20 km faster than goods train. गुड्स ट्रेन की अपेक्षा 20 किलोमीटर ज़्यादा, इसलिए x plus 20 किलोमीटर पर आवर हो गया। डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द टू स्टेशंस 1040 किलोमीटर। दोनों स्टेशनों के बीच की दूरी 1040 किलोमीटर है। टाइम टेकन बाय द गुड्स ट्रेन इक्वल टू 1040/x आवर्स। टाइम टेकन बाय एक्सप्रेस ट्रेन इक्वल टू 1040/x plus 20 hours. According to question, 1040/x minus 1040/x plus 20 equal to 13/5. 13/5. Then taking LCM x and x plus 20, we find 1040 into x plus 20 minus 140x equal to 13/5. 1040x plus 20,800 minus 140x upon x into x plus 20 equal to 13/5. 1040x minus 140x (1040x) 1040x cancelled by 1040x upon x into x plus 20, 20,800 by x into x plus 20 equal to 13/5. 13x into x plus 20 equal to 20,800 into 5. 13x square plus 260x equal to 1,04,000 because 20 into 8, 20,800 into 5 is equal to 1,04,000. 13x square plus 260x minus 1,04,000 is equal to 0. Then 13 common, x square plus 20x minus 8,000 is equal to 0. x square plus 20x minus 8,000 is equal to 0 by 30. x square plus 20x minus 8,000 is equal to 0. We find here minus 80 into 100 is equal to minus 80,000. Minus 8,000. Minus 8,000 into 1. So 100 minus 80 is equal to 20. Then x square plus 100 minus 80 x is minus 8,000 is equal to 0. x square plus 100x minus 80x minus 8,000 is equal to 0. x common x plus 100 minus 80 common x plus 100 equal to 0. X plus 100 is common as a whole. In other bracket, x minus 80 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 100 x is equal to 80. Something he ignored. Speed of the goods train equal to 80 km per hour, and speed of the express train will be 80 plus 20 is equal to 100 km per hour. That is the answer. Question number 8. A man bought an article for rupees X and sold it for rupees 16. If his loss was X percent, find the cost price of the article. The cost price of an article equal to rupees X. Selling price equal to rupees 16. Loss is equal to X minus 16. Loss percent is equal to loss upon cost price into 100. X is equal to X minus 16 by X into 100. X into X square by cross multiplication equal to X minus 16 into 100. X square equal to 100 X minus 16 100. X square minus 100 X plus 1600 is equal to 0. 18 into 20 is equal to 1600 and 80 plus 20 is equal to 100. So minus 80 plus 20 into x plus 1600 is equal to 0. X square minus 80 x minus 20 x plus 1600 is equal to 0. X square minus 80 x in other bracket minus common 20 x minus 1600 in other bracket equal to 0. X common x minus 80 minus 20 common x minus 80 is equal to 0. X minus 80 is common as a whole, and in other bracket x minus 20 is equal to 0. X is equal to 80 and x is equal to x is equal to 20. So the value of x is equal to rupees 80 or rupees 20. That's all.